SimpleFUN channel. Hello everyone. There have been many YouTubers to guide you to make LED testing tools. Most of them create circuits that use 220V high voltage directly, which is very dangerous. There are also circuits that use transformers or circuits that power round LED bulbs, or destroy the charging adapter to craft. Today I will make you a simple LED test circuit that uses DC current without breaking anything. At first I need a DC power supply from 5V to 48V charging. I only have 19V laptop charger at the moment, but it's the same for 48V charger as well. I use a connector to connect to the breadboard. I use a resistor to reduce the amperage to 10 mA, 0.01A. You can refer to my calculation. With a 19V DC power supply I used two 910R resistors. Attach two resistors to the breadboard. I use a 10V 400 UF capacitor. I don't have that much of a capacitor needed. You should use a 50V 1000 UF capacitor for both 48V power sources. Attach the capacitor to the breadboard. Please pay attention to the correct polarity of the capacitor. Mount it wrong and it will explode. I attached the plus terminal of the capacitor to the top red line. These red line points will be connected to each other. I attached the terminal of the capacitor to the second blue line. The points in this blue line will be connected to each other. As you can see, I am supplying 19V power to the 10V capacitor. I use an LED for testing. If something goes wrong, it crashes immediately. Open 19V power, LED works very well. Attach a few more LEDs to see how it works. Everything is fine. I leave the LEDs on for a while. No problem. Now I add more LEDs to see how many LEDs the circuit can light. I attached 9 more 3V RGB LEDs. Everyone follow. LED number 1 and LED hash 3 are off. LED number 2 blinks a little. The RGB LEDs work normally. I added a 10V470 UF capacitor. Nothing changes. I replaced a 520R resistor in place of the 920R resistor. As the resistance decreases, the amperage will increase slightly. There has been a difference. Please look at LED number 1 and number 2. Now I attach 3 LEDs in series. These 3 LEDs will need 9V. I think it will be easy. With a 19V power supply, I think it is possible to light 6 LEDs. So I attached 4 more RGB LEDs in series. As you can see, 6 LEDs are weak and 1 LED is not. So I think it can light up 5 LEDs in series. Finally, the 10V capacitor is safe, none of the LEDs are damaged. However, you should still use a 50V capacitor. To light more LEDs, you should use a higher power source. But keep the amperage as low as 10 milliamperes for safety. Like and subscribe to me if you find this video simple and fun. Thanks a lot.